Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me today. Let me first start off by saying Happy New Year! It's January 1st, 2025. And what does that mean? It's not just the start of a great new year for all of us. It's time to share the subscriptions for the month. So let's jump down to the table and see what we have in store for this month. I always get super excited to share the subscriptions with you at the first of the month. We love our subscribers and we hope you love getting your subscription every month. A little happy mail delivered to your door each and every month. We've got 4 subscriptions here at Pink and Maine. And I'm going to start off by showing you the foil subscription for January 2025. So if you subscribe to the foil subscription, it's $21.99 a month, shipped free within the US. You're going to get a whole roll of foil. Always a brand new foil we haven't released yet. And this month, oh, it's so hard to get beautiful foil on camera just the way you want. We have vintage pink. So it is a gorgeous silver backing with pink and lavender striations going through it. We're thinking spring and Easter as we start off the year because, you know, they come sooner than you think. So you're going to get a roll of vintage pink. This is our high quality toner reactive foils. We get them from a manufacturer in the US, and you get 25 feet on that roll of foil. In the foil subscription, you're also going to get a package of our foilable panels. This is called Bunny Trail. You're going to get 8 panels. There's two varieties in here. So we have what we call positive and the negative of each design. So you can see wherever that black ink is where the foil is going to adhere. So I went ahead and I foiled one of the pieces. I thought we'd do the peel and reveal together, and I used the new vintage pink. And if you get the foil subscription, you're the first to get this foil before it's released with our regular release later in the month. So there we have, I did the reverse, so the background is foiled and all the images, you could say, are left white, and you could always ink blend over this if you like and get them different colors. But that is our new vintage pink with the pink and lavender. Very cute. Can't believe we have to get ready for Easter, but like I said, it'll be here before we know it. In the foil subscription, you're also going to get a package of our foilable sheets. This is Bunny Hop Set 1. So you're going to get Bunny Hop Set 1. So we've got 8 different sheets here. They pretty much all have the same pattern, but they have different things that are going to foil. So this one's just going to foil the outline of the design. This one will foil the outline and then some of the leaves. This one foils different leaves and the outline. This one foils the entire pattern. Super fun. And then this one foils the outline along with the rabbits. So there's lots of varieties of looks you can get with these panels. So this one foils the outline and then the hearts and the flowers around the bunnies. And then I'm also giving you an ombre toner sheet so that you can foil some of your negative patterns onto the colored toner sheet. So fun. We'll be creating with this month for sure. The fun thing about these sheets is later in the month, we're releasing a set of stencils that will color the patterns in here. So imagine you can foil the background on this one and then color each of the parts of the image different colors with the stencil. So as we went through, where you foil the outline and then you could color with the stencil. You could also color with your markers or colored pencils, whatever you like. So this one, again, with the stencil, you'll be able to color in the different parts, but then foil the outline. Or you can also just use them as is and foil them and put them on a card with a beautiful sentiment, and they'll be ready to go. So you get the Bunny Hop Set 1 foilable sheets, the Bunny Trail foilable panels, and the roll of vintage pink cheer foil. That's the foil subscription for the month. The next two subscriptions are the Stamp of the Month and Stamp and Die of the Month. So if you get the Stamp of the Month, you're going to get a 4x6 stamp set delivered to your door every single month for $12, free shipping in the US. If you get the Stamp and Die, you're going to get the stamp and the die delivered to you for $24, free shipping within the US. And this month it's called Food Pairs. So stinking cute. I love these. I can't wait to make some cards with these. So we've got little pretzel and a dip here. We've got pizza and a soda, or if you're from other parts of the country, you might call it pop. We've got popcorn and salt. We've got bread and butter and chips and salsa. So fun. So then we've got the sentiment that says, we go together like, and then you've got chips, salsa, pizza, soda pop, pretzels, bread, mustard, butter, popcorn, and salt. And then we've got the and or ampersand symbol here that you put with those sentiments. Super fun. I loved coloring. This set is so cute. This is the Stamp and Die of the Month. Now our fourth and final subscription is our Crafty Courtyard kit. So this is our card kit subscription. I always give you a sheet here that lists everything that's in the kit. I usually do a color palette, but once you see the pattern paper in this kit, you'll know that you can put almost any color of the rainbow with this kit, and it's going to work. It's gorgeous. I can't wait to show you. So we've got everything that's in the kit. I give you some card sketches. Look at the colors. Oh, how pretty. I give you a couple of card sketches to get started. And there's just two here, and I'll show you a little bit more as we go deeper into the kit. Let's take a look at the cardstock in the kit first. So you're getting 4 sheets of our 100-pound high-quality cardstock in Evening Cloud, Dress Shop, Sunny Sky, and Street Light. You're also getting 2 specialty sheets of paper. So we have this beautiful navy, dark blue, metallic sheet, as well as a gold metallic sheet. Very nice. And then a sheet of 100-pound white cardstock. You're going to get your zippered mesh project bag. And then we got some gorgeous goodies here. We have a beautiful sequin mix. These are some embossed sequins in every color you could imagine, just about. Super pretty. You're going to be getting some brand new sticky gems. This is called the Pinks. So we have 3 shades of pink in a large and small size. Love those. You're going to be getting a 4x6 stamp set called Thank You Sentiments. And we've got this nice little script font thank you, and then tons of sentiments that can go along with it. For being there, from all of us, for your kindness, for all you do, for being my friend, for your generosity. You're so thoughtful. You are a blessing in my life. Your thoughtfulness is a gift, for always making me smile, for always taking care of me, for your friendship and support, for making my day. I really appreciate you, for making me smile. You're so thoughtful. You are appreciated. So tons of sentiments to go along with that thank you. And it's a perfect time of year to be doing all your thank yous for the holidays. But that's not all. You're also getting, yes, a second stamp set this month. Oh my goodness. This one is Hello Sentiments. So we have a nice little script font, hello. We've got My Sweet Friend. Your friendship means the world to me. Have I told you lately that you're awesome? Just a note to say hello. I cherish our friendship. I miss you so much. You're on my mind and in my heart. Just wanted to say hi. My wonderful friend, I'm sending you a smile. I'm always here for you, sending you lots of love, wishing you sunny days, just because you're you, and sending you a little love and lots of good thoughts. Some great little all-occasion sentiments to go along with that hello. You're going to be getting a sample pack of the watercolor spring pattern papers. Look at those. Oh, they're gorgeous. So there's 10 different patterns here and you get one of each. The regular paper pack will go on sale later this month if you'd like to grab more of these papers. But they're just gorgeous, like watercolored backgrounds in beautiful colors. Look at those stripes and the wavy stripes. There's more like curved lines. Look at these, so pretty. I know you can do lots of fun things with these gorgeous papers. They're 8.5 by 5.5, so you can just cut them in half and you have 2 card fronts, or you could cut them down smaller and make more cards. They're simply gorgeous. I have a feeling this is going to be a very popular paper pad because you can do so many things with these beautiful papers. And let me move my card here. Look at this giant die. So you're also getting our circle flip card die. I know it doesn't look like much on here, but it's a super fun die. You can see on the back here, I've got a little example of how to use it on your card. But it basically makes this little card here. It opens like that. So you've got this little half circle cut out here. It'll score at the top and the bottom so that it opens like this. And you can decorate all the different sides and the circle. Also, the fun thing is in here we've got the thank you in that script font and a shadow. It'll cut out the words and the shadow feature. And we've got the word hello, just like in the stamp set, the hello and the thank you. So you get the word die and the shadow that goes around it. You get a stitch circle that's going to fit in the circle of the card. You get 2 panels that decorate on the sides of the circle. This little piece here with the half circle and the lines going around it, that's going to cut the front of your card. And then we've got 3 sizes of flowers. We've got 3 little leaves and then little foliage. This one's curved and this one here is just straight up and down, like little stems with leaves on it, so that you can decorate your card in lots of different ways. I show you one way here. But that is the circle flip card die. So you get a huge die, 2 stamp sets, your sample pattern paper pack, your sequins, your pink sticky gems, cardstock, specialty papers, your zippered project bag. Those are in the Crafty Courtyard kit for January. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at the Pink and Main subscriptions for January 2025. Can't believe we're starting a new year, but I hope it's a wonderful year full of crafting time for all of you. You can find the subscriptions and more at pinkandmain.com. That's where you can subscribe as well if you're not a subscriber already. And until I see you again, keep living the creative life.